Okay, good morning all. It is Saturday, June 17th. We have an hour thunderstorm outlook issued today across Ireland and Northern Ireland. Hello, Rhea. Rhea doesn't know she's another big day ahead of her. Don't you, Rhea? Uh-huh. Well, yeah, we've over 1000 joules per kg of Cape today. Nice warm, humid air mass again. We're still under the influence of this sort of Spanish plume HP setup. It's a little bit more unsettled now with fronts and troughs moving in closer from the Atlantic, which could help with initiation and lift. But it's a tricky one for locations today. We had overnight elevated showery rain and a few nighttime thunderstorms in the west, and that's left a lot of cloud cover behind. So we need this cloud cover to shift out of the way, get the solar heating into action, work on the ground, and if temperatures can get above 20 degrees Celsius, then showers and thunderstorms should initiate. It looks like the south of the country is best, southwest up the west sides, central into west, central Northern Ireland. The coldest cloud tops seem to be in the west of the country anyway. It's hard to know specifically sure based on the model guidance for precipitation. It could be the west, it could be the middle of Ireland, or it could be the Northern Ireland border regions, so we're not exactly sure on locations yet. But that being said, I'm making preparations now anyway, nice and early. Rhea's chicken on here, yeah, she gets full proper cooked chicken. And I'll be meeting up, we're going to meet in Oma as a base, meet up with Paul Martin, Colin Webb's coming, and John Fagan, and we're hoping later, if Nigel could make it, he'll join us as well. So nearly the whole team will be there. Everybody's here. So we're hoping it'll be another good chase day. We're eager, we're hungry for more action. We want to see some lightning, some structure. I'd love to get a good time lapse done, but it's hard to know what nature will do. Shear is stronger than the last day, thanks to the influence of frontal systems off to the west. So even though it's not crazy shear, there's just enough maybe for some brief organisation. Convective weather going for multi-cells, more so in the middle of Ireland and southern regions, much less shear further northwest. But that being said, the energy's good, the humidity's good, definitely potential for something, so we're excited to get on the road again. And again, Sunday tomorrow is looking good again, and Monday, so action packed. I'll show you here the computer screen. So there's the convective outlook issued by Convective Weather. Severe box over pretty much the entire country, an enhanced moderate box for southwestern regions, which I've clicked on here using the maps. And as you can see, it's sort of around the Northern Ireland border region. So our target area is probably something like this. We can't go all the way into here, ideally, because it's a very long drive. But we're thinking of Sligo region, Mullaghmore, possibly southwestern Northern Ireland, Fermanagh. Can't rule out some storms coming up here too around Donegal, and maybe some scattered showers and storms up west central Northern Ireland too. But we'll be out of position for those if they do happen, so we're hoping for something stronger around here. So this here area here is our target area unless some drastic change takes place. So like Paul's coming from Oma, I'm coming from Cookstown, Colin's coming from Portladoe, John's from Dungannon, and Nigel's from the north coast. So there's a fair drive to get to our target area. But hopefully it'll pay off. I'll read you the forecast. Well, the highlights anyway. There's a discussion on cloud cover problems. But okay, but if it does break, we've up to 1500 joules per kg of Cape. And according to this, I've highlighted this part. It talks about multi-cell clusters and suggests the potential for large hail, potentially 2 centimeters to 4 centimeters in diameter, and possibly an isolated supercell. That's more within the amber box and probably more south central regions, because I've checked the parameters, and the better shears in the southern part of the country here is less up here. But anyway. Just topping up the windscreen washer fluid. Ready to go. Okay, now it's about 1:45. We are located in a car park in Omagh, County Tyrone. Met up with Colleen Webb here. She's just arrived, all ready for the chase. Rua's had her walk and she's having a wee snooze here in the ground. So, and John Fagan should be arriving soon. I'll do another video whenever John arrives, and then hopefully we'll meet up with Paul Martin and then later Nigel. So, we just checked online there, and Toro have issued a convective discussion over pretty much all of Ireland and Northern Ireland, really, the central and western parts, for large hailstones, frequent lightning, and a slight chance of funnels and tornadoes due to backing ones down the south of the country, which is pretty good. It's always nice to have Toro on our side. At the minute it's very cloudy. The way down was actually very cloudy and quite cool actually. A southeasterly breeze. I was shocked. It didn't even feel like a storm day. This is just the residue from the overnight elevated storms and rainfall that passed over the country, which was very heavy last night. First heavy rain we've had in a long time, about 4 weeks. So it's in the process of trying to move on, slightly brightening out to the west. When I left the house, satellite images showed a clearance in the southwest working its way up the country. I hope that hasn't changed. I haven't been on since. But if it does and we get the solar heating, then that should initiate showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and evening. So I'll update whenever the rest of the guys arrive. Okay, it's now 1:20. There's John. John Fagan has arrived. Colleen's here. Just waiting on another couple to arrive soon. Temperatures have increased quite a bit now since we arrived. Earlier on it was colder, now it's warmer. The humidity's increased. We're getting sort of pockets of sunshine trying to come through. Satellite images are still showing breaks further south, working our way up. And John just checked online there and it showed quite a nice cell down the Republic of Ireland, Central Midlands, working its way up. So cells are firing in response to solar heating and instability and moving north. So things are looking encouraging. So we're going to bide our time, pick our target. We'll get back to you. Okay, we're outside, not far from Mullaghmore, County Sligo, pulled over the side of the road. Nice updraft exploding up now. You can see real-time motion on the cauliflower updraft here. Another tower building here, and away out this direction over the sea, which you can't see. There's a rain-free base from that older storm cluster. So we're trying to make a decision here on what to do. But that's pretty nice there now. Okay, we just arrived at Bundoran near the Great Northern Hotel, and we have a thunderstorm that's just erupted. Just fresh, brand new. This updraft base and light precip, it's actually rumbled twice since we stopped. Brand new cell, there's new convection going up here, probably more behind it. The old storms are still rumbling over the sea there on radar. So this is our new target, we're watching this. Not much structure though, but at least we have a base with it. I'm hoping so. We're right in the precip now, been sheared down range. Good camera.
rotation. Look at that whole horizontal rotation in that tube. Place just spinning around and around. I think that's trying like hell to do something.
I'm up there, look.
It's going crazy.
Right down.
Sure.
Go on.
Right, it's getting faster. It's spinning faster. It's spinning faster. Look. Okay, we're watching this core of this lovely cell, and the core actually has a green colour with the naked eye on the upper part of it, which is quite unusual, usually a sign of heal. The back of it, there was a lot of rotation going on with the scud. This thing is just sucking the environment up into it really rapidly. Nice storm. Isn't it? Okay, so we're Mullaghmore. Didn't have time to do a vlog earlier. Non-stop thunderstorms. We're actually between two thunderstorms now. There was two cores in this area. A big cluster of storms out here. I've been flashing for ages. Actually difficult to catch on camera, but some beautiful CGs. And now the bolts are right beside us. Storms everywhere. Yeah, yeah, in cloud, right overhead inside that updraft. There's a lightning rod. Need to text it in the skin. I got a video of you pointing to your skin and that bolt happening. Alright. Lovely. That's one hell of a big core there.
It is. Stunning.
Look at that motion, Paul. The white cloud down low. Just rise right up at high speed. What the hell? There's rotation and lift going on here very strongly right beside us. Right here. Wow.